Greetings, wonderful members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. In today's video, I'll guide you about National Tsinghua University Scholarships, Taiwan. The best part about the National Tsinghua University Scholarships is that it offers 130 scholarships, allows you to apply without an IELTS score, and doesn't require an acceptance letter. Additionally, each applicant receives a stipend of New Taiwan $20,000 for personal expenses. So in this video I'll provide comprehensive information on scholarship summary, overview of the scholarship program, including key details and benefits. Scholarship coverage, description of the financial and academic support provided to scholarship recipients. Available fields, lists the academic programs provided by scholarship. Eligibility criteria, requirements and qualifications necessary for applicants to be considered for the scholarship. Documents required, list of necessary documents that applicants must submit with their scholarship application. How to apply, step-by-step instructions for the application process, including links and guidance. But before we dive into the video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you find the content informative, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. And, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Your engagement and support are immensely appreciated. Scholarship summary. The scholarship summary outlines that National Tsinghua University is offering a total of 130 fully funded scholarships for the 2025 academic year. These scholarships are available for students pursuing undergraduate, master's, MPhil, and PhD degrees at the university in Taiwan. Open to applicants of all nationalities, the scholarships cover all expenses, providing comprehensive financial support. The deadline for applications is September 30, 2024. Scholarship benefits. The National Tsinghua University scholarships offer a comprehensive package of benefits to support students financially throughout their studies. Recipients have their tuition fees fully covered, and they receive monthly stipends of NTD 5,000 for bachelor's and master's students, while doctoral students are awarded a higher monthly stipend of NTD 20,000. The scholarship also includes a one-time economy class return ticket to facilitate travel to Taiwan and back to the student's home country. Additionally, the scholarship covers accommodation costs and provides health insurance, ensuring that students have support for their living expenses and healthcare needs during their time in Taiwan. Available fields at National Tsinghua University. National Tsinghua University offers diverse academic fields across its undergraduate, master's, and doctoral programs. These include disciplines in science, engineering, life sciences, nuclear science, electrical engineering, arts, humanities, social sciences, and technology management. Specialized programs are also available in interdisciplinary studies and education. Eligibility criteria. International status. Applicants must be international students from countries outside Taiwan to qualify for the scholarship. Health requirements. Applicants should maintain good physical and mental health to ensure they can successfully complete their studies. No concurrent scholarships. Applicants must not be receiving any other scholarships simultaneously to be eligible for this award. Application accuracy. Applicants must complete the application form accurately, honestly, and thoroughly, and provide all required documents as specified by the university. Bachelor's degree program eligibility. Applicants must hold a high school diploma to be eligible for admission into bachelor's degree programs. Master's degree program eligibility. Applicants must possess an undergraduate or bachelor's degree to qualify for master's degree programs. Doctoral degree program eligibility. Applicants must have completed a master's degree to be eligible for PhD or doctoral degree programs. Documents required. Online application form. Complete and submit the application form through the university's online application system. Highest degree diploma. Submit the diploma for your highest completed degree, verified with official stamps. Highest degree transcript. Provide transcripts from the institution where you earned your highest degree. 2 recommendation letters. Submit 2 letters of recommendation from individuals familiar with your academic or professional qualifications. Passport. Include a copy of your passport to verify your identity and nationality. Study plan. Provide a document outlining your research objectives and study plan, written in either English or Chinese. English Proficiency Certificate. If your previous degree was taught in English, obtain an official statement from your university confirming this. Academic theses are relevant publications. PhD applicants must submit their thesis or relevant publications to demonstrate research experience and academic contributions. How to apply? Submit an online application. Complete and submit your application form through the university's online application system. Upload all required documents. Ensure that all required documents are uploaded as part of your application. Pay the application fee. Pay an application fee of 2,000 New Taiwan dollars if applying for up to 2 programs. International Student Online Application System. The application system opens on August 1, 2024, for international students. Select NTHU Scholarship option. New students must select the NTHU Scholarship option on the application form to be considered for scholarship opportunities.